Binance futures trading for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can do a future trading on Binance for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to do futures trading, you can open up Binance and tap this little button and switch to Binance Pro first. Once you switch to Binance Pro, first of all, let's begin. Binance Futures is a platform for speculating on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies using futures contracts. These contracts are agreements to buy or sell a certain amount of cryptocurrency at a predetermined price on a specific date. Here's a quick explanation of some of the key concepts to get you started with futures trading. First is futures contracts. These are agreements to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a predetermined price on a specific date in the future. Leverage. This allows you to amplify your gains or losses by borrowing funds from the exchange. For example, with 10 times leverage, a $100 price movement becomes, say, $1,000 movement for your position. Long versus short. You can go long and buy a futures contract if you believe the price will rise, or short sell if you believe the price will fail. It all really depends upon you. And it's important to remember a few things. Futures trading is a very complex and carries a high risk of loss. It's essential to fully understand the risk involved before you start trading. Binance offers various educational resources to help you learn about futures trading. Start with the beginner's guide and tutorials before you start using real funds. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.